Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add location to TikTok videos. To start the process, open your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus icon in the middle of your screen. Then go to Upload to add a video from the gallery. Now select the video you want to upload. Here tap on Next to continue. Again, tap on Next. Here tap on Location as you can see on your screen. Tap on Open Settings. Here tap on Location. Then select the option of while using the app. Go back to the TikTok app. Now add your location which you want to add. From here, you can see your location. Then tap on Post. Your location has been added to your TikTok video. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.